Hi, my name's Katie and I'm a travel agent. I specialize in Disney vacations, though I can help you travel anywhere. And today I'm going to take you on a room tour at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, which is a Disney owned, moderate level hotel at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Coronado Springs Resort is a large, spread out hotel that has several sections. Today we're going to take a room tour of a standard king room in the Destino Tower portion of the resort. If you're interested in more rooms at the resort or an overview of the resort as a whole, check out my video linked above. Let's take a look at the actual room that we stayed in, which was in the Destino Tower, a standard one king room, and we were on the 6th floor. So you do have the vinyl flooring throughout, which is great, super easy to clean. The bathroom was lovely, and this sink area was quite sizable. You do get the double sinks, and you have a lot of storage under there, and you even have this storage shelf above the sink. And we have products. The number of products here, not only these outside of the bathroom, but then also the pumps inside, matches closer to what you would see at a deluxe resort, although reminder, this is a moderate resort. The shower here, very spacious. It is not a tub, so if you're looking for a tub staying with kids, keep that in mind. It has a dual shower head. You have the rain shower head and then the standard shower head in here. And of course that clothesline there as well that pulls out if you need to dry something. And here are the in-shower amenities. Basic H2O that you'll find at most of the Disney resorts. And the door here, it did lock. You were able to lock it, but it was this very heavy sliding door. So again, that might not be great for kids if they're trying to close the door. And then here is the toilet area. This had a separate door that did lock as well from the inside. And there's tons of towels in this room. Then down the little hallway from the front door, you have the closet area. Got an extra pillow and blanket up there, lots of hangers, some options if you're going to do like hotel dry cleaning. There is a safe as well. There's the outside of it, and ironing board as well. Little seat there, great for storage, laying your clothes out, putting your shoes. And here's a look at the room. This big desk area with the little amenities, and this wallpaper does have hidden Mickeys in it. Now under here you'll find the beverage cooler, which I wouldn't like store a ton of meat in there. It doesn't get like legit fridge cold, but it does the job. And then you have got your coffee maker with K-cups. Later in the trip we even got special 50th anniversary K-cups, ice bucket and cups, and 2 shelves there. Got a lamp here with plugs in it. Then a trash and recycling area. 3 dresser drawers. And of course some enhanced cleaning information and our wrapped remote. Then you have this nice little chair, another lamp and little table area. Got the window, which was pretty large. And then these 2 tables that you could move apart from each other or together, so you could use them as little TV trays, which we did a few times, or whatever you need them for. You've got the couch area. And then each side of the bed has a dresser with 3 drawers in it. One, you're going to have the Bible and the Disney brochure there. And it also has a lamp. Here is the king-size bed. Very comfy. And you do get your underbed storage where you can put your suitcases when they're unpacked, which is fantastic. The headboard's interesting, a nice little pattern there. And then we've got, on both sides, you have this lamp with the USB and standard plugs, a not quite full-length mirror, but there was a full-length mirror in the wardrobe. And each side of the bed also has these little reading lights, which is a great feature. And you can see that the TV knew that we were celebrating our anniversary. It also was a smart TV, so you were able to connect your device on it, look at your pictures and whatnot. And here is a look from the other side of the bed at the window there. You've got the curtains. There are day curtains, shades, and full like blackout curtains. And we even happen to have a bit of a view of Epcot and Harmonious. So you could see it there from behind the Swan and Dolphin. Now this, we paid for a standard view. There is an option to pay for a water view. So if you have a water view, you're going to be in the other side of the building. The standard view, at least some of them are facing Epcot, but obviously that is hard to promise. That's not an official fireworks view, but it was a really fun bonus. Here's a look at the view out the window during the day. You can see we could see Spaceship Earth and the Swan and Dolphin there, and then the Swan Reserve. And all the way over here you could see the Tower of Terror. So it was nice to have that little extra bonus view. Overall, I really enjoyed this room. We had a great time. We had no issues with it. So some of the things I particularly loved about it: the amount of living space and, of course, storage. Many value rooms and other moderate rooms, you do not have a lot of living space. This had a whole couch seating area. Loved that. Also, it was very comfortable and very clean, both important. And it had a real upscale feel, and I loved the views. I hope that this room tour was helpful for you. Again, this is a standard king room in the Destino Tower at Coronado Springs Resort at Walt Disney World. If you're interested in a full tour of the resort, I've linked that video above. If you are interested in visiting Coronado Springs Resort, Disney World, or anywhere in the whole world, I would love to be your travel agent. My contact information is on the screen, and I look forward to talking to you.